Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you have not already, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be taking a look at my rear tail light running light. Whoa, hello. It has been out for a while. I'm trying to see what's going on with it. I'm going to do it right now. We're going to take a look at it. It should be done pretty quickly. I'm assuming, you know, as an electrician, the first thing I do, I'm going to the source. I'm going to go ahead and check the fuse right away. Hopefully we got a blown fuse. If not, I'm thinking it might be something to do with the harness. So let's go ahead, take a look at that and see what's going on. All right, that guy right there, the culprit, the burnt out rear running light on my tail light. Now I know I've been running around with, say, 3 months of that thing being out. Not good, but you know, I got a little pretty good at, you know, pumping the brakes when I pass a cop, so it looks like I'm riding them. And the tail light, actually, the red there actually lights up because of the brightness of the LEDs. So I've been kind of making do with it. I know it's not right, and we're gonna go ahead and fix that right now. You're gonna start, you're gonna pop the hood and take a look right at the fuse box. Right here, right on the driver's side, this is your wonderful, beautiful fuse box. As you can see, I got some stuff in there. I've got my boost auto mirrors and also my lift pump wired into right to the fuse panel. Right off the bat, we're gonna go with, I don't know if we can zoom her in for you, but it says trailer park, right rear, left rear park. And those are the first ones I'm going to take a look at. Now, I know as an electrician, you'd think I'd have a little bit better tools. I do. They're not here right now, so went in the old toolbox, found myself an old stripper. Go ahead and try and get some bolts. I'm not just giving you guys a picture of the sunset in my front yard, but here you go, right there. She's broken. I knew that it wasn't going to be the harness. I currently have Go Recon taillights. I've had the eBay ones. I've had like 3 sets. They have not turned out for me. The LEDs are junk. They die out. I've had these for 2 years now and 0 issues. The LEDs are doing great. I'm actually planning to go to the 3rd brake light through them because no fade, nothing. It's a great product that they offer. A little bit pricey. I've heard their customer service isn't the best, but you know what? Sometimes you just got to deal with it. So we're gonna go ahead and change this fuse out. Hopefully that fixes it. I would assume it will. And go ahead and just finish this video up. Quick one today for you guys. I'm really happy it's just a fuse. Now, like I said, I've had really good luck with Go Recon lighting, and to be honest with you, I highly doubted that it was an issue with them. I have their cab lights as well, and I've had 0 issues with them at all. So if it wasn't that, I was going to assume it's something with the plug on the harness or the harness itself. But luckily it's not. Thankfully it's not. We don't have to deal with that. So if you have not already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, subscribe to the channel, like this video. We'll see you guys next week and have a great weekend.